Okay, I will share about 10 famous museum in the world.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, there are several, about 20, but I will mention only 5, and my friends will mention 5.
So the top 10
Yeah,
most
top 10.
popular museum in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so here we go.
The first is Louvre,
Mm-hmm.
Louvre in Paris, that is in France. And the second is National Museum of China. And the third is National Air and Space Museum.
Mm-hmm.
And the fourth, the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And the fifth, Vatican Museum. I have an experience about Louvre in Paris because I've been in Paris 3 months, 3 years ago. It was so, how to say, like incredible things there. I was visiting France alone, and the museum was very modern and wonderful. We with, how to say, like air terjun, waterfall.
Waterfall.
Yeah, mini
Yes.
waterfall. Yeah, miniature waterfall. And actually, at the moment, I really want to see Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa
Mm-hmm.
paint. Yeah, because it was a very famous and expensive moment to see Mona Lisa. But yeah, unfortunately, I came when the hour the hour for visiting was closed,
Mm-hmm.
and I didn't have much time for to spend a whole day there.
Mm-hmm.
That was nice in Louvre museum.
Okay. So the next one.
Okay, I'm going to read the next uh, five most popular museums in the
Mm-hmm.
world. The first one is Shanghai Science and Technology Museum,
Yes.
and the second one is British Museum, and then the third one is Tate Modern,
Mm-hmm.
and then the fourth one is National Gallery of Art, and then the last one is National Gallery in London. I think that's all.
Okay. So that's all the 10 most popular museum in the world, yeah, that you can visit, smart listener, when you have a chance to come to the country that we have mentioned before. So yes, from the museum, we already know that many things, many story that we can learn from the museum itself. So hopefully from the celebration of the museum day, we can be more aware to, how to say, to make museum one of the priority destination from now until the future, so our next generation also still can feel the vibe of museum and the vibe of Indonesian history, right? So next, before we close the conversation, smart listener, as usual, we are going to share some idioms or any vocabularies maybe that you can use on your daily conversation. So who will be the first
Okay, me
one?
first.
Okay.
Yeah. It's so related to museum.
Mm-hmm.
The first is a curator. That is a person who oversees and manage a museum and its collections.
Okay.
The second is a tour guide. That is a person employed to show tourists around place of interest.
Mm-hmm.
The third is preservation. It's that is to maintain something in its original or existing state.
Mm-hmm.
And next, an exhibition.
Exhibition.
Yes. That is a public display of works of art or items of interest held in a museum or gallery for people to see.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Okay. So next, from Mr. Fikri.
First of all, is that ancients
Mm-hmm.
that's mentioned before. The meaning is uh, kuno,
Kuno.
and then the second one is that we can also say outdated, yang
Mm-hmm.
ketinggalan zaman, and
Yeah, yeah,
then
yeah.
the last one is cave or goa. I
Okay.
think that's all.
So thank you guys for coming and have a great discussion tonight. And so hopefully you can yes, we can have another topic from our program in the next week. So thank you so much once again, and thanks for you smart listener who are listening to our conversation tonight. We'll see you again next week. Bye bye.
Bye.